Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use units converters on iPhone calculator in iPhone 17 Pro Max. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here click on utilities folder. Now here click on settings app. Now here click on general. Now here click on software update. You make sure your software update is latest iOS 2.6.0. Go back. You will see click on calculator. Now here click on this icon. Now here click on converter. You will see click on this icon and you will type anything. So that's how you can use units converter on iPhone calendar in iPhone 17 Pro Max. Hope so you like the video. Thanks for watching.